Hi everyone! Let me show you how I save tons of time in Gmail with my extension. First, I open the Chrome Web Store and install Gmail templates with attachment. Add to Chrome, add extension, a few seconds, instruction about main buttons of my extension. After that, I can go to Gmail and click Compose. Compose. Inside the email editor, you will see two new buttons from the extension. Saved new template and saved templates. I write a message. For example, like this, and click Save New Template. I can write name, and now the best part, I can attach files to the template. Choose files, this one, and for example, this one, XLSX and PNG. Open, save. So I can refresh my page and click Compose again. Now I can click to Save the templates, and let's find our templates. Name of my email, email body, date, and time of saving. Now I can click Paste, what we will see, body of my email, and attachments. So I can send it to recipients. We are actively improving this product, so tell me in the comments what features you want next. To try it yourself, search Gmail template with attachment in the Chrome Web Store and install it. It's very easy, and now it's totally free. Just use it. Thank you very much.